here at the Eddyline Welding Shop today to make one of these guys. This is it's known as a Snag Plate. It's a product that we can no longer find on the market. They are no longer available, and so we thought we'd show you how to make one of your very own. It's an incredibly useful rescue tool that we can use in our throw bags. So pretty simple. It's just this circle, a couple of drain holes in it, and then it's got these teeth. And we are going to make that starting with one of these, just a simple 4-inch PVC cap. So the other thing that's going to be really helpful to us is this Solgear product here. It's a sticker that we're going to use as a template to show you where to mark your holes and make your cuts. We'll also need the bottom template and some tape. Okay, this is comes with the directions, and I've simply cut it out ahead of time. Some other handy tools that we're going to need: a little alcohol wipe to clean this before we stick our sticker on. Obviously, some breathing protection, a simple dust mask, and some protective eyewear. We're going to need a couple of different drill bits. We're going to need an 1/8 inch bit. We're going to need a 1/2 inch bit, and we're going to need a 5/8 inch bit as well. Obviously, something to use those drill bits with. And we're also going to need the most important tool here is going to be our Dremel tool, along with our cutoff wheel and our small barrel sander. Okay, so to start with, this has some different ridges on it. First thing we're gonna do is knock these ridges down with our Dremel tool. So now that it's smooth, next thing we're gonna do is give this guy a wipe now. And we're going to use this template sticker. We're going to try to put the edge of this sticker right along the bottom of this PVC cap. So as we look around, it should come out as close as we can. We'll just float that difference, but we've got all these different orange circles with these X's in here. These X's indicate where we're going to pilot our 1/8 inch holes. So before we do that, we are going to plant it. Okay, now that we've got all the holes piloted, we're going to move to our 5/8 drill bit. Okay, now we've got our 5/8 holes drilled throughout. Next thing we're going to do is cut along these black lines with our Dremel cutoff wheel. This is where it gets a little dusty. Okay, from here we should be able to see all the yellow of the sticker disappear. And we're going to end up with this kind of gnarled piece of PVC that we're simply going to clean up with our barrel sander. Okay, we might have it to a point here where we can now grab a piece of our original template sticker, and most of it should peel right off. Now I'm going to go around and clean all this up. I don't want any rough edges, I want it real smooth so it's not going to cut anything. So we're just going to go over it one more time, inside and outside. Alright, all that's left is going to be to drill a couple of holes in the bottom of this. It's going to let water flow through. We're also going to give us our center point so that we can attach this to our throwback. So let's grab our template. We want to position these so that our holes, there's 4 of them, will be offset from our snagging hooks. Once again, we're going to pre-drill these with our 1/8" drill bit. Next up, I'm going to grab the 5/8 bit again. Now that we've got our holes pre-drilled, we can discard our bottom template. Now I'm going to go around and 5/8 holes around, but not the middle one. From there I'm going to move to a 1/2" bit for our center hole. We're most likely not going to be using a 5/8" rope. From there, we're just going to clean this up again with our barrel sander. In the end, we're left with something quite similar.